Stepping out back at it again. I think money, I don't need no fucking friends. Cause some be faking, some be real. Some be giving and helping, others taking. So where I'm placed in, everybody trying to switch up. So I keep it like Jason, Friday the 13th. Shit you replacing, I'm switching. Steady racing, my mind in different places. I'm riding on the highway, drinking and driving. See me on the flyway, shit I be fly so high like I'm up in the sky. A bird or a plane, now that's me flying by. See, chains on like swinging in the gold teeth on. Shit's old, but I bring it back. I flip it back, get it back, another stack, then I re-up and crack like, yo, I'm spitting crack. You see this shit, you hear it one time, shit like I need this shit, cause I start trends and everything fucking ends and keep going till the end. Yo.
And we only got family, motherfucking friends. Yeah, we only got the family here, motherfucking friends, and we die till the end. Niggas gon' crash like a bad car. I don't give a fuck, I'm like NASCAR, moving fast. 500 Daytona, I got a lot of kush, I'm getting high like Arizona, that's hot. And I don't give a fuck, you niggas talking shit, but I'm trying to get a fucking whip. You trying to buy nothing. You front, you trying to buy a whip, I'm trying to get a jet, I'm above you. You niggas don't get down my head of you. It's stressful, your bitch is getting low. I stretched that hoe when I told that bitch get low, because she moving like limbo though. And I told that bitch bring a friend and bring another friend that's lesbians. We can call them the friends and get it then. Crack that hoe like a pistachio, but don't eat it. These hoes are like keyboards, cause I delete them. And if you don't get that, get your MacBook, and I don't give a fuck, I'm like bad. Oh, shit.
What? Let's get it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we here sitting on the table, it's turning. Kush getting burned. We learning how to do shit a little different. Your bitch on me, she a little different. Speaking Espanol, she a little different. And we out here in the Nissan, bumping tunes, spitting words from the and we really here chillin', billin'. I don't give a fuck, nigga, cause this beat we is killing. And we really out here, nigga, getting money. Never did shit here, never shit's funny. Nigga, man, when it come to that money, better come right, nigga, don't try to act up. My nigga here, man, he got the Mac talks. But I'm lying, nigga, cause I'm just flying. Whatever rhymes with it, nigga, I got no time for it, cause I'm grinding. I'm working, the night shit, 4 to 1 learning. How to get it, how to save it. Don't keep it in the bank, you will spend it. Keep it in the crib, in a safe place.
Safe place, nigga.
Alright, you know what it is. Visions. We're out here, you know. We're just doing what we do, man. You know, out here just chilling all day. Hanging out with some friends, you know. We're gonna do a little cypher, you know. But with the beat. With the beat, you know.
Represents the rat.
It's in a little freestyle.
Once you're on that move,
it is what it is.
Yeah, move. Him and Kanye, the only guys doing shit. One train, the one train. One train, I'm a fucking locomotive. Niggas talking shit, but I just keep rolling. Niggas talking shit, but I just keep smoking. Lot of herb in the sack, yeah, I love to blow shit. Palm my trees, so niggas talk a lot of shit, but I got my shades, so you can't bother me. Can't bother me, cause I got my niggas with me, and we keep a tight circle like hula hoops, my nigga. But we ain't dancing, we ain't into prancing. All we tryna do is make money like the Hamptons. All we tryna do is make money like the Hiltons. All we tryna do is make money, Beverly Hills, bitch. And if you don't understand it, you should get the blueprint. Blueprint esophagus, I'm high like some dermatologist. And I don't give a fuck, I'm on some doctor shit. So come prescribe with the fucking hood pharmacist, bitch. Till I'm at the spot, nigga. Visionary movies at the spot, nigga.
I get high with the gods. I puff the backwoods, say on my lad. Shit's that loud. I don't give a fuck. I'm chilling in the zone where they ain't allowed. No lanes. Catch me swerving in the lane. See these verses, they all filled with pain. Like shots of Novocaine, straight to the vein. I got your shorty on the stick and she going insane. I'm asking for the brain, yeah, she get it. I don't really care, I bring the pussy and I wet it. I'm a vet kid, 09, 02. I be on some shit like this nigga hold two in his eyepiece. See the iris. I don't care. I spread in his body like a virus.
Man, them kill shit.
Visionary media, nigga. Give us the fucking cam or get damn, homie. You know what I mean? Give us the
Visionary.
Visionaries, nigga. Good mind.
Early, Eason.
You already knows, man. Niggas killed it.
Young virus.
I don't know what to say, man.